You may be wondering now, how can I style these posts? Even though this course doesn't focus on the design, the goal of the course is to have a complete knowledge of AJAX. I'm gonna teach you how you can add designs to these posts so that they look better. So to do that, to add designs to these posts, to these elements, as you can see, these are the elements that we have, the h2, the p, and span. We can, in order to add designs, we can here say style, and then equals to, and then single bracket or brackets, and then here your CSS cut. So here I'm going to say, let's say for h2 I'm going to say color, and then I'm going to say red. And for the p here I'm going to say style, and then equals to. Make sure that it's single bracket, single quotes, and then I'm going to say color, blue, and here span I'm going to say style, color, yellow. And here I'm going to also add, I'm going to say title, and then colon, and also here body, and here ID. Here it must be here, and then I should close the angular bracket, and then here I'm going to say ID. Let me now save and show you the difference. Now if I refresh, you will find that the titles are in red, whereas the bodies are in blue and the IDs in yellow. You can also style this further. So for example, you can here add dev, big dev, double quotes, and then dev, and then at the end double quotes, and then dev, close the closing tag of the dev, and then here plus, and then here semicolon, and here plus. And now this dev can have a style of say border 1px solid black, and then let's also say margin auto, and also margin bottom of 5px. And finally, I'm gonna say width of 50%. Now let me save and refresh and show you how awesome it's gonna look. As you can see now, it's gonna look awesome. We can even add padding. I think padding is important here. I'm gonna say padding of 5px. Now, if I refresh one more time, you will find that we have all of the posts being displayed here inside kind of cards, and it looks just awesome. And you can, of course, you can get rid of this title. If you don't want this title, you can either change the text here or display whatever you want instead of this, but I'm just gonna keep it.